aircraft search, locate, and attack enemy ships, submarines, and aircraft while providing a defensive cover to our assets at sea. Naval pilots operate fighter aircraft, helicopters from aircraft carrier, and ships at sea, also maritime reconnaissance aircraft from ashore. For those with an aspiration to fly in the skies over the challenging environments such as the seas, the Indian Navy needs pilots for its naval air arm.
The Indian Navy employs women in a combatant role as an observer. Observers operate various state-of-the-art equipment on board an aircraft, including radars and communication equipment. We observers get an opportunity to participate in all maritime operations and act as airborne coordinators of maritime warfare.
I'm Lieutenant Commander Surbhi. I am airborne technician of the IL-38 SD aircraft.
I am Sub-Lieutenant Rishma and I am an air traffic controller in Indian Navy.
Indian Navy, an ocean of opportunities. A very accurate statement for many young men and especially women of our country. I was given the responsibility to become the guardian of the sky by becoming an air traffic controller in the Indian Navy. An immense responsibility that is entrusted in me by the nation, by the brave hearts who secure the sky, and the thousands of people who fly across the sky safely. That is our responsibility. Throughout my service, I have been given various opportunities to learn paragliding, to compete in rifle firing competitions, so and so forth, and the opportunities never cease. For me, Indian Navy is not just a career, but it is a way of life.
I am Sub-Lieutenant Chaitra Naik. I look after logistics, finance and administration in the Indian Navy.
Every air station of Indian Navy requires an education officer who are specialized in meteorology and weather forecasting. As a woman officer of Indian Navy, we are required to issue local weather forecasts for all the critical flying operation and research requirements of naval air station. This niche field of forecasting enables us to handle numerical weather prediction model, modern met equipments and data analysis techniques. As a duty met officer, we are required to man this office 24/7 to meet all operation requirements of the air station. In addition to this, we as education officer also look after training of officers and sailors of air station, conducting promotional examination and administration and facilitate admissions for schools and other education activities.